Hey algebra guys, I'm here to walk y'all through a quick little lesson 86 division of polynomials problem. I know that we kind of touched on this the last day that we were in class, but I'd love to just kind of walk you through another problem. You can have it here, something that you can refer back to, and constantly kind of have it redone if you need to refer back to it. So what we're doing, this is problem number 7 on page 361. I'll actually write that over here. This is number 7 on this, and again, this is on page 361 for those of you who want to follow along. Okay, so the problem is often given to us like this, right? We've got some polynomial divided by another polynomial. In this case, we've got a 4-term polynomial being divided by a monomial. So we rewrite this in division form, as I've gotten down here. And that first step when solving these problems is to ask ourselves, okay, well, how many times does my value here, does 5x go into 20x to the 4th? Right? What can I multiply 5x by to get 20x to the 4th, right? So 5 times what gives me 20? Well, that's 4. Oops, sorry. 5 times 4 gives me 20, and x times x cubed gives me x to the 4th. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just treat this like any regular division problem, where I'm going to take 5x, multiply it by 4x to the 3rd, and I get 20x to the 4th. Right, and I'm going to be subtracting this down. I see 20 minus 20x to the 4th, right? I'm going to circle this to show myself and remind myself that I'm subtracting. That gives me 0. Bring down 5x cubed. Well, I'm going to wash, rinse, and repeat. How many times do I need, or what do I need to multiply 5x by to get 5x cubed? Well, let's see, 5 times 1 gives me 5x times x squared gives me x cubed. 5x times 1x squared gives me 5x cubed. I'm going to subtract. That gives me 0. Right, those cancel out. And then I'm going to bring down negative 10x squared. Wash, rinse, and repeat. 5 goes into negative 10, negative 2 times. X goes into x squared. X times, right? X times x gives me x squared. 5 times negative 2 gives me negative 10. So I get that negative 10x squared when I multiply those two values together. But then I need to subtract that, right? I'm subtracting negative 10x squared from this. So that those cancel, right? And I'm going to circle to show that I've done that cancellation, made those positive, and then bring down, oops, that was ugly, then bring down our next term. Right? That next term is positive 30x. Wash, rinse, and repeat. 5x goes into 30x. Positive 6 times, right? 5 times 6 is 30x times, well, just 1x there. Subtract, and it goes in perfectly, right? You see how everything cancels out here? I have no remainder, and I've got an x cubed, an x squared, an x, and then just a single constant term. This problem can be considered complete.